3, 2, 1. Baby, don't mind, baby, now. Baby, don't mind, baby, now. I tell you how to fuck you stepping on you. I tell you how to fuck you stepping on you. I turn it on, my baby. I turn it on, my baby. Baby, you're looking fine. I have you open up.
Hey, I pump myself for the fluffy girl. Let me know. I want to some slim girl. Condom. I spice to represent for the slim girl. Let me know. I want you fluffy. I'm a shearbo. I want this. Slim girl, I better you can do this. Fluffy girl, I better you can do this.
Fluffy girl, I love it with slim girl. I prefer the dress. Why is it so? So you try. Oh, you mean better?
Me mean maneuver.
Oh, you try there. 99 pound or probably 300. Which one better for you?
Well, first of all, the fat thing is a bit extreme.
Fat thing is a bit extreme.
It's a bit extreme. I prefer it to like fluffy. It's like
probably like my body. So you're saying I'm looking hot and singer. Yeah, I know.
But I respect fluffy. I really do. And I know that look really fantastic. They carry something and they look damn good. But my personal preference, the ones that go for tend to be kind of slim. Not too small though because Lord, I need some kind of something to hold on to. But
so I think having a nice balance. I mean, you can be too slim and you can be.
So what you consider yourself? Not yourself fluffy or something?
Yeah, in between, you know, very preferred.
So you think somebody like me Skippy V will come check with your man?
Yeah, I think that personally men are very aesthetic, so they love to look on the physical appearance of women. So based on what beauty is defined as beauty is defined as a certain body type. So men usually for the slimmer girls versus the fat girls. But what I find with Jamaican men is that they don't mind a woman with a little meat on their bones. So they like a lot of women who are very shapely, you know, who have bottom, who have breasts. They prefer to go for a Beyonce rather than a Lady Gaga type of girl. But if you are too fat person, men don't necessarily like her in general. But you have some men that will go for the fat, like a 300-pound girl.
So what you think so? How a fat girl can, you know, split that thing? So you think for you it's better thing to be slim if you want to keep on my ass? So when you define where do you?
As much flesh.
Yeah. So you think some... Like biscuits, that's definitely fluffy. I don't think you got all these things. Call you kind of you know, you have a little something around there. Everybody, before you even know everybody bagging about that. It's a being sweet, definitely. And it's just because of flexibility.
Somebody can look good. I don't look good. You know, which one?
Well, no, probably not a medium, you know, but we love the African music, but anyways.
So, in a matter of fair,
I don't know what you
say?
I prefer slim ones.
Why you prefer slim ones?
Nobody want no fat girl.
What you mean nobody don't want a fat girl? The way I try to tell people, nobody don't want me.
You're a fat man,
of course, my fat, my fluffy. Average, not soft.
Yeah.
I use this so you take care of the kitty side.
No, yeah, that's suicide.
Suicide for you. Alright, suicide, so 180 pounds. The chubby chasers are that.
Like guys who like, they're just like big.
No, I mean that is your personal choice, but the general consensus based on what I've seen and based on when I speak to men, they don't mind a woman with meat on their bones. But if you're too fat, men just don't like extreme. If you're too skinny, that can't work. If you're too fat, them say, yeah man, she look good enough, but would they be with her? No, not really.
You think Spice must call herself slim, or you think Spice more? Is she enough to descend?
I think that she's more, you know, well balanced. She's not skinny.
But I think in order to represent like a slim girl, I think she's enough to represent like slim girl.
If you're saying slim, then slim like a lean.
Yeah, like how yeah. Being slim, that's slim.
Yeah, exactly. She's not slim. She's right in the proportion. That's what I think women should say.
Next question, you think slim?
The thinking when over there, they like it there.
Generally, yeah.
Generally, they prefer the little meat, not too skinny, not too fat.
Yeah.
In between a little light meat.
Yeah, man, you
If it's
can
not
come think it and left,
okay, let's not go there now. I'm manager can't manage already.
It's different still. It's not a weightlifting contest. If you can't manage fat, it's still kind of good.
That's why you give
She's supposed to move her weight around, you know what I mean?
alright, that's what you see, but I know say him can't manage me, you see me? Because that's why I'm going to work out, him have them things, them have the chest, you know? That's why you're so crazy,
Have any other style or them do things that is different in terms of like them more charisma or them little, we don't know them little, you know? Yeah? In terms of, you know, the grip and the alright, that's it. Thanks.
It's fluffy for skin. Paul, what is your take on this matter?
My take on the matter,
Look into the camera.
definitely fluffy skinny, not so much. I mean, it's nice to see him Victoria's Secret and all that, but he wants a girl with no tits, no ass, not to hold on to. I read that song so much on the floor.
Somebody else? How will you say tonight integration test? Anyways, back to the topic.
Integration is real thing. No, something about anything. We got to do. Like the one first semester, second semester.
Focus.
Oh, sorry, the question.
Yeah, kind of, that was my 2 cents.
Right, and here we have it, folks. On this breathtaking matter.